Hi there, gorgeous! In today's video, I'm reviewing the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. This was part of a PR package that was sent to me by the company, so very special thank you to Too Faced for thinking of me. If this is the first video you've seen from me, no amount of free makeup can sway my opinion. So what you see is what you get. Pieces of this collection will be available on Sephora.com and Ulta.com on December 2nd, and you will also be able to get the full collection in Sephora and Ulta stores on December 26th. I'll be showing you an up-close application with all the products today, giving you my review, final thoughts at the end, and I will let you know if any of this is worth getting or not. First product I really want to try before any others here is the Glow Job Glitter Face Mask. You heard me right. Glitter face mask. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm not sure what it looks like. Oh. This, yeah. Woo, it's falling out. Hang on. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells sweet. Yes, like candy. I'm not really sure what skin benefits you get from glitter, but we're gonna find out. Oh, I better not tilt it anymore. All right, we're going. It's very cooling on the skin. It's pretty. It's pretty. Well, it's going on like a regular mask. I just can't get past the glitter. It's shiny. You know when you play with glitter, it gets everywhere. And they say this is a peel-off mask. Yeah, we're gonna find out how true that is. Oh, well, this is a Kodak moment right there. It's been 30 minutes. It's not fully dry right here, but I don't care. It's driving me nuts, so I have to peel it off. And that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, boy. This is like removing Elmer's glue from your hands when you were a kid. See, it's not really coming off right there because it's still wet. I felt like I spread this out pretty evenly over my face, but it didn't dry evenly, unfortunately. It's still wet in a lot of places around my face. This is one that you'd probably have to leave on for an hour, I feel like, or 45 minutes to get it to fully dry. And I'm still struggling with getting the glitter off of my face. Get off, get off. I don't know. I mean, I failed to see the point of this, personally. Let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to apply an eyeshadow primer first. This is the NYX Proof It. I still see glitter all over my face. It doesn't matter that the mask peeled off. It does leave sparkles behind that you cannot get off your face, by the way. Now, this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like up close. There are 16 eyeshadows total within it in a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and straight up glitters. So I'm going to use one of the glitter eyeshadows for this look. The glitter in this palette is very similar to the glitter that was in the Tutti Frutti collection, which I didn't really care for, but there were some people in the comments when I reviewed those palettes saying try applying the glitter with your fingers. So I'm going to try that, and the way I'm going to do this look is I'll apply my matte shades first and my glitter second. That way I'm not brushing away the glitter. First shade I am taking from this palette is Oh That's Rich. It's a beautiful red brown, and I'm going to apply that in the depths of the crease. And this palette swatches beautifully. I mean, you saw the swatches there. Very little eyeshadow was used in those swatches. And it appears to be going onto the eyes as well as it did my arm there. The brush I'm using here, by the way, is from Crown Brushes. It's their C511. I'm also going to take a little bit of this eyeshadow, work it into the outer V, and then bring it onto the outer third of the lid also. Now that I have that shape built up around the eyes, I'm going to add my transition shade. So I'm going to blend out the harsher edges that I created with that dark eyeshadow. And the brush I'm going to use is the Sedona Lace EB09. And I'm going in with the shade It's Cashmere. Just because I'm cutting away a lot of the blending, remember, blend, 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 blend. That is the key to great eyeshadow looks. I may not show every single step, but you can bet your boots I'm over here blending and blending and blending like crazy. If you missed my real-time eyeshadow application tutorial, I have it linked for you below. You can see how much blending I do. There's a lot of back and forth that goes on with my looks. And I know many of you found that video helpful, which I'm so glad that you did. I thank you so much for your feedback, and I'm really happy that it was able to help so many of you. And there was a huge request in that video to make that into a series, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm working on a video, probably not tonight, but tomorrow night, of a real-time winged eyeliner tutorial. So you can see everything step by step, how I do my winged eyeliner. I have that really built up there on the eyes. I'm taking a blending brush. This is the It Cosmetics number 5. And I am lightly brushing away the harsh edges of that transition shade. And here's where we apply the glitter. The GLITTAH! Let's say it like that, because this is not glitter. This is straight up GLITTAH. I'm trying to decide which shade I want to use. I think I really, really love the pink in this palette. That one right there. Diamond Glitterati. That is what this one is called. I'm gonna straight up apply it with my finger. Oh, okay. That does work a lot better than a brush, I will tell you that. I could not get this formula on my eyes with a brush to save my life. Now, how am I gonna get it off the inner corner? That's the other question. Nope, that is not working. That is not working. Let's get a makeup remover wipe here. I am going to attempt to take a small smudger brush. This is from the Bad Habit Beauty brand. And apply the glitter right into the corner there. It's okay, I've already got glitter all over my face from that silly mask anyway. Okay, so here's the thing. In the time it took me to apply my face, look at my eyes, they're a complete mess. Glitter has gone everywhere. It has not stayed put at all. Ugh. So yes, even though applying it with your finger makes for a better application, it doesn't last at all. And I've tried this stuff with glitter glue before, and it's a chunky nightmare. So why? It's frustrating. Anyway, we're going to move on to highlighters. They have 3 highlighters in this collection. The packaging is just gorgeous. And the shades that they have are Diamond Fire, Fancy Pink Diamond, and then this gold one, which is called Canary Diamond. Now, I have some concerns on the gold one in particular. I swatched it, and I noticed a bit of the product rubbing off, and you can probably see what I mean right down here at the bottom. See how it's disappearing right there? That almost leads me to believe that this has an overspray to it, which I've encountered before with products in the past. Not from Too Faced, but from MAC in particular. I have purchased products that are so gorgeous at first, but then when you get down into the product, it's nothing but overspray, and then the product is not like it was when you first bought it, and it's deceiving. And it's happening a little bit too on the other 2, but it's not as noticeable as it is with the gold one. So I wanted to point that out, make you aware of it. The one I'm going to be using in the demonstration here is Fancy Pink Diamond. Too Faced also came out with a highlighting brush that is very soft against the skin. So I'm going to use this to apply this shade. Very powdery, goes everywhere. Ooh, pretty though. Very pretty. Yeah, I like it. It's gorgeous. I'm happy to see that it looks as good from the pan to the swatch to the face. Finally, they added these high shine sparkly lip glosses to this collection. And if you caught my trends video, I had mentioned glitter. Glitter is a trend for 2019, and you can definitely see that within this collection. And these are really beautiful. I will give them that. Would I ever use them? Probably not, but I'm going to use it here so you can see what it looks like on the lips. The shade I am using is All the Stars, and if you want to know the order of the ones I showed you in the swatches there, I'll have it listed for you below in the description box in case you see a shade that you like, because these are very pigmented. See what I mean? A little bit goes a long way. You can really see it on the lips. I'm shearing it out rather than layering it on. But if you really layered this, you could get a really intense look. Woo! With the eyes and the lips. Woo! It's not for everybody. It's certainly not for me. So just wanted to demonstrate it, but I'm not going to wear it. I don't want to leave this video on a sour note, so I'll leave you with some positivity here. Too Faced did come out with a whole line of peach lipsticks not too long ago. It came out around the same time as the Tutti Frutti collection did, and I simply love every single shade, and the formula is to die for. Very smooth and creamy, and so I'm taking the shade Doll Face here and layering this over Max Myth. It's a beautiful nude. A little too nude for me, that's why I like to mix it with Myth a little bit. But if you're looking for some really great quality lipsticks to try, you will not be disappointed in these. They're fabulous. Final thoughts for you here on this collection, beginning with the eyeshadow palette. Really love the matte shades in here. Great collection of colors. Formula is great, and the shimmers are really good too. The glitter eyeshadows are the ones I have an issue with, simply because it's hard to apply them. I mean, it's great when you apply them with your finger, but they don't last. Like you can see on my eyes, you can already see they are starting to separate and look terrible. And I haven't even been wearing this look for 15 minutes, to be honest with you. And I've tried them with glitter glue in the past with no success also, so I really don't see a way to successfully use these, which is really sad because these shades are simply beautiful. The highlighters are really beautiful. A lot of pigmentation. They show up nicely. I'm simply worried about there being an overspray issue with these, so I want to make you aware of that. Put it out there. Really did like the highlighting brush. Very soft, very... This is great for applying highlighter on the face. It picks up a lot of product. It distributes it very evenly onto the skin, and it is a brush worth checking out if you're looking for a highlighter brush. Now, when it comes to the glitter lip glosses, these are not for everyone, but if you like glitter lip glosses, you would really enjoy these, I will tell you that, because they're very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. You can also layer them, and they last. I will tell you that, because they're extremely hard to get off of your lips. Oh, I forgot to mention also, that glitter mask I used in the beginning of everything, I frankly don't see the point. It's not for me. Maybe for somebody else out there. I feel like it's a little too much. Yeah. If this is a collection you've been curious about or possibly considered, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. I've got glitter mask on my shoulder. Stuff is everywhere. I like how it applies eyeliner. Eyeliner? What the heck is eyeliner? Oh, I'm so tired.